Do you know catheter associated urinary tract infection, also known as COTI, is the most common hospital acquired infection in the world? Reason being almost 25% patient admitted in hospital are always catheterized. It is the most common procedure performed in admitted patient. And if you study reason for catheterization, you will be surprised to find that half of the catheterization are simply not indicated. And do you also know there are 75% chance of infection of urinary catheter because of poor handling and meager maintenance, telling us there is lot which can be improved in our practice. And with each catheter day, there is 5% per day increase in chance of developing COTI, clearly telling us that how important this topic is. So, how we define COTI? It's a patient who after 2 days of catheterization develops signs and symptoms of urinary tract infection like burning or pain in maturation, fever, and also urine microbiology is positive and we do not find any other source of infection in the body. Now we label this condition as catheter associated urinary tract infection. Generally 10 raised to power 5 colony forming count is considered as significant count to call it as COTI. If you see bacteria responsible for it, it's E. coli, which is the most common cause for COTI in almost entire world. Let's quickly see some of the common or the actual indication for urinary catheterization. Catheterization is usually done in unconscious patient or patient with altered sensorium who is unable to communicate for voiding. Secondly, it is electively inserted during surgery related to genitourinary tract or gynecological or urosurgical. Thirdly, patient who has paraplegia due to any cause are inserted urinary catheter to prevent soiling of the bed. Lastly, when the patient is in shock and we want to measure organ perfusion, where it is also called poor man indicator for organ perfusion. Most of the catheterization done in healthcare facilities are unindicated. You can correlate many of such practices with your own hospital. Let's see one by one. Number one reason for unindicated catheterization is for incontinence of urine, bed swelling, repeated change of linen, where repeated giving patient urinary pot is tiresome for nursing staff, or there is manpower issue. All this makes healthcare worker prone to take decision for catheterizing the patient. This all mess can be managed with other ways like putting diaper, which can be changed whenever it's completely wet, or in males by attaching male condom catheter for draining urine, avoiding the use of urine pot in most cases. But catheterization seems easy option for all of us. But we healthcare workers are simply unaware about its long-term bad impact. Secondly, many times patient being obese makes healthcare provider to ascertain to insert catheter. Obesity is not the indication for catheterization. Before coming to hospital, they were following natural course of passing urine. So prompt them to pass it naturally, motivate them rather than to go for catheterization. Thirdly, being elderly or old age is not indication for catheterization. They should be given bed pens or should use other ways to avoid catheterization. Lastly, we commonly see wheelchair-bound patients are more catheterized. We should not forget this rather adds one more device for them in their mobility, increasing their chances of fall. Better avoid one more device for them to manage. Let's go deeper and try to understand how urinary catheter actually gets infected. Basically, there are two ways. First is extraluminal cause, as we can see in the diagram. The bacteria from unhealthy region like in male meatus or rectum or in females via vagina travels along with catheter and get access to urinary tract system, and then patient easily gets urinary tract infection. Other ways which patient gets UTI is intraluminal cause, that is when catheter is not handled properly, like standard precautions are not followed by healthcare worker, or if there is break in sterility of closed urine collection system, device gets infected with microbes on constant handling and patient gets infected. Do you know, unlike central line urinary catheter, after few days in the body forms biofilm. Urine normally contains lots of protein. Protein present in urine sticks to the inner lining of urinary catheter and generate biofilm. This biofilm especially act as an excellent media to get anchored by pathogenic organism.